What were you doing before the earthquake? Before you became an animator, before the earthquake?
Before the earthquake, I was at law school. I was at first grade.
First grade? Law?
Law school.
Really? So you want to become an attorney?
Yeah.
Do they say attorney or lawyer here?
Lawyer.
Lawyer. How has the earthquake impacted you? How has it changed your life?
In many senses. Because I can't go to school anymore.
Right.
Mental, I'm always afraid of another phenomenon happens again. In many ways, it changed my life.
So you can't go back to school?
I want to go back to school.
You want to go back to school? Well, if there was a way that as you are learning, you're not in school, but whatever you do right now, you are learning. You're learning with the children.
They teach me many things.
If there was a way we could recognize your learning, and I want you to repeat this. If there's a way we could recognize your learning and give you a qualification, would you be interested?
Of course, yes.
Okay. Well, please tell him that. Ask him that.
Même pas c'est un certificat pour les banques. Mais sur l'autre organisation, comme ça, on a un certificat pour d'accord. Qualification certificat banque.
We believe that as you live and have experiences and learn different things, we can recognize it as true learning or action learning and give you a recognized qualification for your learning and life experiences. So instead of just academics with no experience, we give you a qualification for your experiences, your learning, and your personal growth. And you can start that immediately.
If we want to do it?
Yes, if you want to do it.
Is there any condition?
No. Well, no. You need no money.
Okay.
You just have to decide what you want to learn,
So just décider ça nous va apprendre et puis
where you want to be,
qui bonne qui peut ouvrir
and work towards it. And provide evidence or proof
et faut by preuve une évidence
of what you are learning.
et ça de ça nous va apprendre.
And we can qualify that. We can recognize that.
Et on peut reconnaître ça, on peut qualifier.
So through GUL, Global University,
À travers GUL Global University,
you can achieve.
on peut réussir.
Do you have a license?
On a une licence.
To be a master's?
Un master plus que ça, licence, master, doctorat.
Up to doctorate.
Doctorat.
Sound good?
Sounds very good, very good. Thank you.
That's what we'd like to do for you.
Okay.
That good?
So thank you, Anai.
You're welcome.
Yeah. It's beautiful things for us. Oh man. Because we're so happy. God decides. Okay. First, thanks to God.
Yes, He
Thank
loves
you very much.
us. And He says we must love others. So it is our privilege
C'est un privilège pour nous
to be here.
C'est nous qui opportunité ça.
God bless you. Thank you very much.